A class of grade 8 students built an app that recognizes campus plants using AI. How on earth did they do it? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. 4 disciplines that work together to solve complex, real-world problems. Artificial intelligence is the ideal theme tying all 4 areas together, giving students a powerful, unified learning experience. Across Hong Kong, more teachers are embedding AI into STEM projects, creating exciting hands-on learning opportunities for their students. Using Google Teachable Machine, students train an image recognition model to sort waste and design a smart recycling bin. Through this project, students learn the complete AI workflow, collecting data, training the model, and testing its accuracy. With MIT App Inventor and AI dialogue features, students build a campus guide chatbot answering questions about school facilities. Students gather rooftop garden data, temperature, humidity, and light, then use AI to predict the optimal watering times. Using natural language processing, students train a sentiment model to classify survey responses as positive, neutral, or negative. Here is the common thread: no complex coding required. Low-code and no-code platforms let students focus on solving real problems. STEM with AI is not about making every student an engineer. It is about teaching them to think like one. Start small, think big, and let AI bridge classroom learning with real-world impact. Your next STEM project starts now.